Hey guys, so quick answer for you. If the Vivo Y03 have a fingerprint sensor, it doesn't have it. So I just want to make this like really quick video. This is from the official side of Vivo, because there are plenty of articles that are taking like generating text from the AI, and they're like just like lying literally, because the AI, this is my experience, is messing up some data. Even when you're gonna give it like really good data, it can mess up the data. So that's something like really important, is that many times what they do is they just like they take the site, they paste it in ChatGPT, and they will like write me an article about it, but the ChatGPT just doesn't take into consideration all the stats, all the things. And then it's just going to say, oh, it got fingertip sensor type, but right here you see that just this doesn't have it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.